Teflon tape, also known as PTFE tape or plumber's tape, acts as a buffer between the threads, providing a leak-proof seal. First, clean the male and female threads of any oil or dirt. Looking at the threads, tape is always applied in a clockwise direction. This way the tape stays on and doesn't unravel when tightened. Starting slightly above the end of the thread, hold on to one end of the tape to keep it tight. Wrap 3 to 6 times, keeping it tight the whole way through. Now grab the tape with your thumb and index finger and snap it off. If you wrap it this way and keep the first thread clean, you won't have any tape shredding off inside the pipe, which could create a blockage in a faucet cartridge or a valve. Now hand tighten the pipe into the fitting. Next, tighten with a wrench and give it no more than 2 extra turns. Over-tightening can expand the fitting and disrupt the seal. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.